Hi there, Chris here. Here's a different little lock. This is a U.S. fort. It has a number on the top. 19276 or 5. I think it's 5. And I believe the same number is on the key. Or is that S? Anyway, it's made by the Eagle Lock Company, I believe. No, I'm sorry, Fort Locks. And it has a fort on it. Don't know where I got Eagle. It has 2 keys. One of them has a fracture on it, so I don't want to mess with this one. I don't want to get that stuck in there, but it is key retaining. And it works well. And it also, if you look very closely, this could come out, but I have tried sticking a pick down in that little hole in there, if you can see that. And I have not been able to find like a release pin to pull out the core. And I've tried quite a bit, different picks and probes, but still a cool lock. So I thought I'd try and pick it. I don't think it's too tough, if I remember. Got a slight movement on the core. It's kind of tight for this pick. I might try the baby pick. Now this is was a broken sparrow's. Come on, a broken sparrow's worm that I totally reshaped into a tiny pick. And there we go. We're in. So not much feedback, but a cool little lock. A fort. It's the only one I have. And I don't recall seeing any others. It would be nice to get this out and see what's inside, but I don't think that's going to happen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you next time.